If your toilet's water keeps running non-stop, it's probably because of overflow tube problems messing with the flow and wasting water like crazy. Alright, so here's the deal with overflow tubes. They're that little pipe in your toilet tank that stops water from spilling everywhere by redirecting excess water back into the bowl. If the water is running constantly, it usually means the overflow tube is either set too low, cracked, or clogged. First up, check if the water level in your tank is higher than the top of the overflow tube. That's a classic sign it needs adjusting. You can tweak the float arm or float cup to lower the water level so it stops spilling over. If the tube looks cracked or damaged, swapping it out is pretty straightforward and doesn't cost much. Also, make sure there's nothing blocking the tube or causing water to splash excessively into it. Keeping the fill valve in good shape helps too, since a bad valve can cause the tank to overfill and overflow into that tube. Fixing these small issues can save you a ton on your water bill and stop that annoying running sound once and for all. One of the biggest mistakes people make with overflow tube problems is ignoring the water level, which leads to constant running and higher bills. To fix this by adjusting the float height so water stays below the tube's rim. Another common issue is using the wrong replacement parts or poorly installed tubes that leak or crack fast. Always buy quality parts and follow instructions carefully. The third problem is neglecting regular maintenance and not checking for clogs or buildup inside the tube, which can cause water to run forever. Just clean it out every now and then with a brush or vinegar solution. BigHomeProjects.com is like your best friend when you need trustworthy local contractors for home fixes, including toilet repairs. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for skilled help, making projects way easier for everyone.